grinding your coffee just before brewing is a must. But how do you actually grind? Flipping the switch on an expensive electric grinder or cranking a hand grinder for precision? Why should you even need to choose? Meet ARCO, bridging the gap between the luxury of an electric grinder and the freedom of a precision hand grinder. ARCO's revolutionary grind setting system lets you dial your brew all the way from Ibrick to cold brew. Consistency is the key to great coffee. Fine and coarse particles in the same grind will kill your flavors. ARCO breaks the beans into thousands of uniform particles. That's what makes the difference. We have combined smart engineering and premium materials found in professional grinders. The result is a sturdy, precise, and powerful grinder to handle the toughest beans, no matter how you crank it.
ARCO is built to give you freedom to grind coffee at home or on the go, professionally. An engineering innovation with goat story design touch. Let us know if you have any questions or suggestions. We welcome you to back this project and change the way you grind. Forever.
Hi, my name is Luca and I'm going to show you a little demonstration how you grind coffee with ARCO grinder. So we will start with some filter coffee setting. We have approximately around 10 grams here, so we will just grind it by hand. Okay. It's a really nice coarse grind for brewing techniques. So now we will switch here. First we adjust the setting. We will use around 18 grams of coffee. There's the cup and switch on. It usually takes around 18 to 20 seconds for double shot espresso, which is around 20 grams. The good thing is that you can use the catcher for distributor as well. Okay, cool, let's make some espressos. I think it's really nice. It's perfect. I'm usually going for about 23 seconds. This should be like 1:2 ratio, around 40 grams of liquid in the end. Yeah, looks perfect.